Madam Chair. Madam Chair, if there are no more discussion, I move to terminate the period of discussion.
Motion to terminate the period of discussion, duly seconded, no objection. For the period of amendment.
For the period of amendments, I move to change all the acronym meaning of AIP from Annual Investment Plan to Annual Investment Program, because this is the standard DBM terminology to be used as an implementing tool of the plans. Thus, it will be changed on the below parts of the measure. On the title, on the third whereas, fourth whereas, fifth whereas, and the last paragraph. To add, I also move to include all the councillors present as currently users of the said measure.
There is a motion to change the AIP plan to program on the title, third, fourth, fifth, and last paragraph, and include all councillors present as currently users of the measure. No objection, duly seconded. For a final motion, please.
There are no more amendments this year. I move to terminate the period of amendments.
There is a motion to terminate the period of amendment, duly seconded.
And for my final motion this year, I move for the favorable approval of PR 22CC-135.
There's a motion for the final approval of PR 22CC-125 of the Other This Committee, duly seconded. This is approved under this committee. Next item, please.
Item number 1 under proposed ordinances. PO 23CC056, ordinance approving the supplemental budget number 1, General Fund for Fiscal Year 2025 in the amount of 1,412,701,905 pesos to cover various expenditures of the Quezon City Government, introduced by Councilors Shaira Eliban, Ali Medalla, and Dorothy A. De Larmente.
Madam Chair, I move for the approval of PO 23CC-056.
There is a motion for the approval of PO 23CC-056. Duly seconded. For the period of discussion, please.
This is an ordinance approving the supplemental budget number 1, General Fund for Fiscal Year 2025 amounting to 1,412,701,905 pesos. The breakdown of funds appropriated is primarily divided into personal services, performance-based bonuses under the Human Resource Department amounting to 118,955,079 pesos, and maintenance and other operating expenses amounting to 1,293,746,826 pesos, which is composed of scholarship programs, utility expenses, MMDA contribution, insurance, security, and other operation-related services. The breakdown of all the expenses fundings is attached as part of the measure. Lastly, the said supplemental budget number 1 is duly certified by the Finance Committee, the City Budget, City Accounting, and City Treasury.
Treasurer's Office.
May we recognize our resource person, the Quezon City Budget Officer, Ms. Gigi Orellana.
Let's recognize Ma'am Gigi.
Nag-uusap yung mag-chewin.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. May we respectfully request for the approval of the supplemental budget number 1 for the following expenses. First, for the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority under subsidy for MGAs in the amount of 909,060,177. Under the Office of the Administrator, to augment our electricity expenses and water expenses in the amounts of 42 million and 20 million respectively. Under the Social Services Development Department, under maintenance and other operating expenses for grocery bags, in the amount of 151,670,985. Under the City General Services Department for insurance expenses